Hi, I'm Rob Thomas, advisor for the Owens Outcom Student Media Center. One of the important aspects I developed over my years as a professional radio broadcaster, as on-air talent, and as an audio production director was good vocal delivery, whether for a radio show or for commercial production. I'm going to share how you can enhance your performance for podcasts and voiceover work with these 5 pro tips. Tip number 5, distance to the mic. Stay close to the mic. Room sizes and their acoustical properties vary. If you're about 3 to 6 inches from the mic, then you're less likely to hear room noise, reverb, and harsh tones. You'll also get a warmer mic presence. So stay close to the microphone. Tip number 4, angle to the mic. Don't talk into the mic. You heard correctly. Instead, talk past the microphone. Speaking directly into a mic increases the plosives, those puffs of air that go into the mic. Instead, pivot the mic or angle your mouth away on those plosive puff passages to let them go by the mic and not into the mic. Tip number 3, breathing. Breathe as quietly as possible. Some voiceover talent will turn their heads away from the mic for a large breath. Otherwise, heavy breathing detracts from your message and distracts the listener. Tip number 2, delivery. Speak clearly and at a normal volume and enunciate your words. This helps the listener hear your message with complete clarity. And tip number 1, experience. Over time, you'll discover that inflection, speed, and attitude affect your message. For example, when sharing your copy, unless otherwise noted by your producer, smile when sharing it. That friendly emotion comes through the microphone in your delivery to the audience. There you have it. 5 pro tips to enhance your podcasts and audio production. I'm Rob Thomas.